Hey guys, Joel with Motors and Mischief. 2-minute tutorial for you on the crankcase breather on a 2025 Honda Transalp. You want to drain this every 4,000 miles as part of your service, but it's a little confusing on exactly where it is. Also, if you drop the bike, great idea to go ahead and check this because you might have filled it up with oil. So here's how you do it. So when you're doing your oil change yourself, if you don't want to take it to the dealer, the manual does tell you to change the manual tells you to check the crankcase breather. So we're on the left side of the bike here, and you're going to want to come back right down here. It's your engine, valve cover, your ABS module, and then right here, that's your crankcase breather right there. Okay, so you just pull this out of here. There we go. You can see this is full of a little bit of oil from the engine. So you just go ahead and you disconnect that and drain it, and then you're good to go. That's all you got to do. All right, thanks guys. Peace.